So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert a table inside of a document here on the Pages application. So the first thing you have to do is open up a document for this demonstration. I'm going to type in insert a table so that you know what we're talking about here. Now, if you want to insert a table, it's pretty straightforward. You can probably figure it out yourself, but go to the top here where it says insert beside that says table right here, press on table. Now, what you can actually do here is actually view a whole bunch of different tables that you can add. You can view, whatever tables you want, just in regards to the patterns. But if you want to do this one right here, this blue table right here, press on the table right here. Just like that, and now the table is presented. If you want to increase the amount of columns or the amount of rows, you can increase it or decrease it. Same thing goes here, increase or decrease it. Do whatever you have to do. If you want to stretch it and make it larger, you can do that to add more space within the columns and the rows. So super simple, super straightforward. But this is how to insert a table inside of a document here on the Pages application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.